of mine. This is Lucky Zakari, and I'm here to talk to you about another journey as regarding artificial intelligence. Today, we'll be discussing about the 5 AI directory tools I use for sourcing tools. You can also be using this website to source tools and learn more about AI. So today, I'll be unveiling the secret to you how a whole lot of AI artificial intelligence source their tools they use in assisting their clients.
So as it is, it's a pleasure to have you here one more time. The first site we are looking at is called Futurepedia. Futurepedia, to my understanding, has a very large set of AI tools in the directory. It's a very beautiful site to come in. I've been using it not today for a very long time, like for a while, and it actually helped me in achieving a lot of things before I was able to come across some other AI website. This was the first website I came across, Wikipedia.io. So these are the featured AI tools. You can just glance through. Yeah, featured AI tools. So probably one of these days I'll be able to go through such tools once in a while, the important one, how to use it as our journey continues as Nocode. So these are the new tools for today, or tools that have been on ground before now, but new tools. So we have free accelerated AI development with the Nocode and Nocode platform. We have Tribe, free trial. Transform your workplace with AI, enhance engagement, wellness. We have AI audit kit, paid, effortlessly transcribe, summarize, and enhance audio content with AI precision. We have RACR, Rack, or Rack, something like that. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Unlock AI powered vehicle diagnostics, customization, and maintenance. Wow. This is another level of AI. Sincerely, this is what AI. This is what AI is all about. Can you imagine what they are using AI to do? Unlock AI-powered vehicle diagnostic, customization, and maintenance. AI is actually coming. Please, we should all prepare for it. It's not something we should run away from. It's something we should really integrate into our lifestyle. It has come to stay. So, for me not to waste your time, these are the new tools, right? Yeah, we are on Futurepedia. So let's go to the next site, which is called There is an AI for that.com. There is an AI for that.com. It's a very beautiful site too, just like the first one I showed you. It has 11,300 AIs for 15,600 tasks and 6,847 jobs, powered by Agent 4 core answering. So if you can see the site, it's a very beautiful site too. So on my left hand side, you can see free sign up, / free sign up, most stays, tasks, timeline, and get featured, job impact index, influencers, forum, newsletter, follow us, and join Discord. Have a Discord channel for those interested. Wish to follow them up. So this is just launched. You understand, and up there we have check out the most popular AI. So on this just launch, you can see that they're having different type of AI here, just like the first one we have new AI. So we have Cat Body GPT, Shopping Assistant, Git Loop, Code Based Question and Answer, Learn Danish Guide, Danish Lesson, Movie Vandals, Movie Recommendation, Explain Learning, Calendar Scan, Calendar Assistant, Casper, Interview Preparation, Dev, Developer Search Engine, Colorize, Image Coloring, Tax Pilot, Tax Advice, DGM, Diagrams, Paint AI, Drawings, Summary with AI, Document Summarization, Conversation Link Productivity, Note 2, Mental Health Analysis. Wow, this is interesting. AI has really come to stay. So we have some other AI tools here in order for us to save time. So I'll have to jump to the other website too. So if you are following, the third website we are on to is called opentools.ai. a very beautiful website too. As you can see, I'm registered on the site, so I've been coming here to get myself updated on a lot of other AI tools. So beautiful place to be, different website. Different tools. A very beautiful directory of artificial intelligence tools. So you can talk to the AI assistant or rather chatbot on the website. They have chatbot on each and every website which you can interact with and ask if there are any question related to the tools you want or category you feel or a problem you want solved, something like that. So your all tools are there. Let's click the all tools are there. So in order for us to see recently added tools. These are the recently added tools. You have Suno AI Music, Index My Site, Pixels, unlimited high quality thumbnails for your videos, faster indexing for your website, ensuring quick visibility in Google search results. We made AI Music on the go. So it's called Make AI Music. So talk to Santa Card, Eat with AI, a platform that offers 10-minute and intensity sections for deep learning. Teacher AI, a language practice tool that offers personalized speaking practice for language learners. Faceman, a free online tool that uses AI to transform your face into a popular meme character. AI video search engine, a tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to index and search through a large database of videos. Rewrite Product AI, an AI-powered tool that revolutionizes content creation and modification. So there are a lot of other tools here. We have Ice Girls AI. Create AI-generated image with Ice Girl AI, the easiest and most versatile tool for sexy content creation. Wow, it's blazing. So we have set apps, 240 plus apps, one AI assistant. Hydra by Right Stify. Revolutionize music creation with Hydra by Right Stify. Regenerate music, copyright, clear music instantly. I really love to go through some of these tools probably in the future, but as it is, let me also bring it to you as it is because of time. So we have AI tools, alternative browser extension, a whole lot of other. So let's come to the fourth tool on the list, which is top AI.tools. You can call it top AI.tools, but it's called top AI.tools. So as it is right now, find the perfect AI tool for every task. Elevate productivity with 5,401 plus AI tools and growing. So if you come to the page, these are the feature tools. Just landed, taking down here. So these are the new just landed tools. They have 9. Elevate your e-commerce with our AI photo editor, iPhoto. Creatify AI, the fastest way to create short video ads. We have DaVinci. DaVinci is an AI tool that helps patent professionals drive better and faster patent also. Patent, yeah. Waiting list. This one is waiting list. This is free trial. This is premium, meaning you have opportunity to test it free, and there's a premium service too. So okay, these are the AI tools. We have Neuralbeat, hyper efficient science-based gym AI. This Speechimo. Speechimo is an AI text to speech tool that simplifies the process of conversing. So we have all-in-one AI digital assistant beyond AI. Now we have a whole lot of other here. So let's go to the last site. This is findmyai2.com. Don't worry about any of the AI tools I'm listing here. At the end of the videos, you see it under the videos on YouTube, or if you are watching me through YouTube. If you are watching me through some other platform that is not YouTube, then I'll see what I can do. I'll have to list the name of the tools also on that platform. So I will see what I can do about that. So find my AI tools a very easy place to be. As you can see, they also have a place where you can make search as regarding the tools that you want. So let's not waste time at all. Let me just go through the website so you guys can see how it looks like. So the feature tools, and we have new tools down here. So we're having Movie Live video editing. Movie Live is an enterprise-grade live streaming platform that helps launch around 24 hours, 24/7 live stream direct from cameras or feeds. Top Creator Education Assistant. SoapCreator.com is an AI assistant to the process of crafting statements of purpose essays for university applications. Wow. We have Pin Personal AI, APML, New Link, Playworld AI, Sanctum AI. You are looking for a way to chat with AI without compromising your privacy. You might want to check out Sanctum. Corporate what? Corporate HE. I don't know. Corporate. Okay, corporate headshot. Upgrade your professional look easily with www.corporateheadshot.ai. Turn yourself into professional headshot in an instant. Wow. And they have 1,500 plus AI tools. This should be the newest among the 5 tools I'm giving to you. AI directory.
So this is the last on the table. Welcome. This is organface.co. It is a community for building the future. The AI community for building the future. The platform where the machine learning community collaborates on models, data set, and application. As you can see, these are models. These are space where models are being hosted, and we have the data set here. So if you can go through the website, you're interested in building your own machine learning applications or the better website for you to be on. They have a whole lot of people that can collaborate with you. And these are their sponsors. More than 50,000 organizations are using Hugging Face. These are just part of the organizations that are listed, but more than 50,000 are using it, for you to understand how big the platform is. So let's go to the view pricing. So this is the view pricing. We have the HF Hub, collaborate on machine learning. This is a free forever account, while the pro account is $9, while the enterprise is $20. And we have the space hardware, which is if you are going to buy space, which started at 5 cents per hour, while the inference endpoint is 6 cents per hour. So depending on what you are building, the platform you want to use, Hugging Face seems to be a better option for a whole lot of people out there that want to train their machine learning data sets and build on or collaborate with other users on the platform. It's a very good platform to be on. If you want to join, we have sign up here and everywhere. Create with machine learning, collaborate, play and learn, build your portfolio. It's a place to be. So these are the space hardware starting at $0. Space are one of the most popular ways to share machine learning applications and demos with the world. Upgrade your space with our selection of custom on-demand hardware. So as you can see, these are the options that are available. So for those interested, you can visit the website. It's called organface.co. So thank you for staying through to the end of this video. It's a pleasure being with you. Please subscribe, follow us, or message us on any platform you seem to find our video on. In case you have any questions regarding to artificial intelligence, we'll be very happy to help you and listen to your concern or complaint. Please use the comment section too. Please use the comment section, talk to us, ask us any question, criticize us. We are all welcome. Still very much doing video making. Encourage me by liking and subscribing to the video once more. Thank you. Peace out.